I found the fastest and easiest method to create seamless pattern using Canva. I've got few videos showing you how to do it, but this one is going to be the fastest and easiest. So let's get straight to the video. I'm going to use files from Creative Fabrica. I just type Christmas on the main page and I found this file and I downloaded and uploaded to Canvas. Let's go on Canva, open a new project. I'm going to use custom size 1000 by 1000 pixels file, because if it's too big, create a new design. If the size of the file is too big, we're not gonna be able to multiply this file. And by the way, if you don't have Creative Fabrica subscription, you can see on this page, you can sign up for free trial and you will get 10 free downloads or 1 month free, which came first. And after that, if you want to continue, it's going to be $47 per year or just almost $4 per month. Just make sure if you don't want to continue to unsubscribe. If you have any interest, the link will be down below in the description. So let's get back to the video. There you go. Let's go on uploads. Here are the files and I'm going to create quickly one pattern and we're going to do the magic. Let's put this one. The files is going to be bigger like this, because after that we're going to multiply them. So let's add this one here, this one a little bit bigger. Let's say this one, move it like this or like this. I think this one is okay. So this star, place the star here, this one smaller, this one a little bit smaller, and this one. So which one? The snowman. Let's move it here. Nope. Here. Let's keep it like this. Okay. So the bear, make it smaller. Over here, let's make the star smaller. Okay. This one fits this file. You can flip the file from here vertically and horizontally like this. Move it like this over there. This one a little bit smaller. Just play and make it nicer. I think this one is nice. And which one? One more file. Let's do this one. A little bit smaller, and I think we are ready to go. This is going to be our pattern. And in my previous videos, we need to download the file. After that, we need to upload it again. And after that, we need to make it smaller and multiply it. But now we have easy method. So we're going on apps and we're going to search the app design to image. This one, open the app, convert to image. And now we can do transparent background, but you can see the crown. This is pro version. I've got the pro one. I don't know how it's going to work to free version. So if you have two or three images, you can see here we need to choose which one we want to convert. We're going to use just the first page, export. Just we're going to wait few more seconds, and there you go, the magic is happened. Add to current page to this one, and now we've got our file ready. So the next step is we are going back to the apps, and we're going to search the app called Replicator. This one, open the app, replicate, and you can see here we've got linear, we've got grid, we've got circular and wave, and we've got, let's go on grid, we've got columns, rows, and horizontal and vertical space. Let's do the space 0, and this one 0. And here we can multiply, let's say 4 rows. If the file is too big, let's say, you can see when the file become too big, we're not gonna able to add to the design. So that's why I make the file 1000 by 1000 pixels. So let's make it 4x, and here 4x, add to design. There you go. Open another page, and you can see our pattern is ready. Let's open another one. Let's see if we can do 5x. Nope. You can see the file is too big. So let's make it 3 by 3. Add to design. There you go. We've got this size and this size. And now we can go on design to image again, or we can download this. But let's do it design to image. Let's go back to design to image, convert to image. We need third page. Deselect just third page. Done. Export. And now we can make the file bigger. Transparent background, export. Open another page. And I'm going to upscale this one up to current page. There you go. We can upscale this one. Go back to apps, upscale, image upscaler, click on this one, page, continue, we need page 5, done, export, open another one, 4x, upscale. We can do it 8x, but after that we're going to see how it's going to work on Printify. So since we are waiting, let's go on Printify. We're going to check the file, go on catalog. So you can sell this, you can create multiple files, and you can sell as pattern designs on Etsy, or you can create print on demand products. So let's open, let's say, open catalog. Let's go pillows, blankets. Let's say, which one? No, t-shirts, phone cases. And what else? Let's say tote bag. There you go. So let's open, let's say this one, start designing, this one, start designing, and which one? Let's say this one is a bestseller. Start designing. So let's get back here. So add to design. You can see before, after. There you go. And I'm going to download this one, make it bigger. This is page 6. If the file is smaller, we're going to see we can, let's download this one as a PNG, transparent background, download. Let's check first the file, open this one. This one is the pillow. Let's drag the file here. Let's drag the file here as well. Here, the phone case. and the toolbar. So from here you can see it's 200 dpi. If you click this button, it's going to make the design pattern, and from here make it grid. From here you can change the color, and from here you can preview it. You can see how it's going to look, but it's 200 dpi, so we're going to download the file in different way. So this one is even less dpi size. This one is good because the file size of the phone case is smaller. Make it pattern from this button, preview it, and you can change the color as well. Make the mockup realistic. Let's check this one. There you go. I think it's very nice. And here it's also 200 dpi. So for the rest of the files, let's go back on Canva, and I'm going to download this one as SVG file. So download this one, and because it's SVG, the file size is going to be perfect. So we're going to wait for this one, remove this one. We're going to remove this one as well. This one is good, and we're going to remove this one. So just few more seconds. I think SVG file is going to be fine. So I'm going to download as SVG file, but just the page 6 because I downloaded the all of them. SVG file, download, done. There you go. Go back on the files, drag this one here and here and here. So this one is the, just wait few more seconds. There you go. And now you can see high resolution vector file. We're going to click this button and preview the file. The quality is going to be perfect. You can see this one. This one is also high resolution vector. We can scale this file. We can create pattern, preview the file, and this one as well. Push the button, high resolution vector, and we're going to see how they're gonna look. You can see this one is very nice. Make it realistic. This one as well, and preview it. Check this one. So you can see this one, I think, is very nice. So the blanket, it's also very nice. And so let's check the tote bag. I think it's perfect. So I think it's very good. So let's recap. We downloaded the files from Creative Fabrica. We created this pattern. After that, we use Design to Image app. After that, we use Replicator app, upscale the image, download it as a SVG and PNG. And by the way, you can resize the file from here. I can resize the file, let's say custom size, let's say 5000 by 5000. And the file is going to be bigger this way. You can copy and resize, and or you can resize this design, and after that you can download the biggest file. But if we download the file as a SVG, we're going to use as a vector file, and we don't have any problems. You can see here is a high resolution vector. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.